This time we're going to check it 1 foot at a time. When only one hold down bolt is loosened at a time, any remaining soft foot can be more accurately measured and corrected. Loosen the bolts one at a time and try to slip a 2000 shim under each foot. It's best to check 2 or 3 places around the foot in case an angled soft foot condition exists. Add shims if you need to, but if nothing will go under, you'll know that you have an equal weight distribution. After correcting 1 foot, tighten it back down and move to the next. Repeat this process until all 4 feet have been checked and corrected. On larger machines, you may want to use a dial indicator for final soft foot. Now we've completed the 4 pre-alignment steps. From this point forward, we shouldn't have unintended movement during the more precise steps of shaft alignment. There are some additional pre-alignment steps that we didn't cover today that are also recommended before performing an alignment. This includes cleaning the machine feet and base, consolidating shim packs, checking for runout both on the coupling hubs and shafts, checking for pipe strain, checking bearing clearances, and checking hub separation on spacer couplings. Remember that the 4 pre-alignment steps that we went over in this video are essential whether you are using dial indicator system or a laser alignment system. I'm Mac McCormick. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, and please be sure to check out our other videos on shaft alignment or condition monitoring training.